I have a sentry safe with a digital lock pad. I put new batteries in the battery pack, inserted it, nothing happens. How can I bypass the digital pad to get my safe? My medicine is in the safe, need to get in ASAP. Hi. I'm Smitty. I am a professional appliance repair consultant here to help you diagnose and repair your appliance. I presume that you do not have a key backup for your safe. Unfortunately, safes were designed to keep people out. If the keypad is not functioning and there isn't a key backup, then I am sorry, but the only way to get back in is to either take it to a locksmith or drill the pin and open it manually. To drill the pin will require a special drill bit and the exact position of the locking pin. Unless you are a certified and bonded locksmith, the manufacturer will not give this information to you too. The best they will do for you is send out a locksmith or have you send in the safe. Sorry about the bad news. I wish it was better. Please remember that I am only the messenger here. Providing you with anything other than truthful answers I will not do. Let me know if you need anything else. Regrds, Smitty.
My keypad, the digital pad works fine. It's the battery pack when it slides in, start making its connection somehow. So is there any way that I could bypass that, look it up to something and put my number in and open it?
Can you still access the batteries?
Yes, I can access the batteries. They sit in a tray, slides into the side of my digital pad.
Okay. So are you wanting to know if you can use a different voltage source to power the keypad? As in the battery pack isn't making a good connection? If you are wanting to bypass the keypad, I am sorry, but that is not possible. The Home Smithy 41615.21674988843.
Yes, is there any way that I can use another source to trip to lock or be able to power up my pad and type in my code?
How many and what size batteries does it take, please? The Home Smithy 41615.22415127131.
4 AAA batteries.
Okay, good. That is 6 volts. What you need is a transformer like the one I am going to post a picture of and just a few minuets, actually putting one together for you. Give me about 10 minuets and I'll post the picture. It is easy to make. Thank you.
And this thing that you're going to show me, you will also tell me step by step what I need to do to hook it up, all that to be able to get my safe. If so, that sounds great, and thank you so much.
Ron, I'm not going to make you any promises. If the battery pack will not make the contacts, then you may be able to get an alligator clip onto the positive and negative terminals from outside the unit. You will need a 6-volt DC transformer and a couple of electrical leads with alligator clips on them. You can use anything to make the contact to the terminals with. Even just the wires of TH transformer. I have used coat hangers bent just so to get to electrical terminals. You can determine which contact is which by looking at the battery tip closest to them. The bump end is plus and the flat end is. Touch the appropriate lead from the transformer to the corresponding contact inside the unit. You may need someone to key in the numbers while you hold the leads in place. Let me know if you need anything else. Best, Smitty.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.